SCHD just crossed $32 per share for the first time since 2021 and is up over 15% in 2026. So the big question is, did you miss the opportunity, or is now still a good time to buy? And if you already own SCHD, should you hold, buy more, or take profits? In this video, I'll break it down using real data, not hype. We'll look at where SCHD is trading compared to its historical range, what caused the recent rally, and whether it's overvalued or still reasonable at $32. Then we'll go deeper into the numbers, dividend yield, valuation, and long-term performance trends to understand what this price actually means. Most importantly, I'll walk you through 5 clear strategies. Buy now, dollar cost average, wait for a dip, take profits, or simply hold. Finally, I'll share what I'm personally doing with SCHD right now. And why. By the end, you'll have a clear action plan based on your situation, not guesswork. Quick disclaimer. This is educational content only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before making investment decisions. Let's get started. All right, let's start with the context. SCHD is trading around $32 per share in late March 2026. To understand if that's expensive or not, we need to look at where it's been. Over the past year, SCHD's low was around $26.80 in October 2025, and it's now near its 52-week high at $32 plus. That's nearly a 20% gain in just 5 months. It's also close to its previous peak from late 2021, meaning we're essentially back at all-time highs. So why did this rally happen? First, there's been a shift away from expensive tech stocks into safer, income-generating dividend ETFs like SCHD. Second, interest rate expectations changed. With potential rate cuts ahead, dividend stocks become more attractive compared to bonds. Third, SCHD's recent rebalancing improved its fundamentals, reducing energy exposure and increasing financials, making the portfolio more stable. Year-to-date, SCHD is up about 15%, outperforming the broader market, which is closer to 8%. So this rally isn't random. It's driven by real factors. The key question now is, does this momentum continue, or is a pullback coming? Now let's talk valuation. Is SCHD expensive at $32 or still a good buy? Dividend yield. At $32, SCHD yields around 3.3%, based on roughly $1.06 in annual dividends. Over the past 5 years, SCHD typically yielded between 3.2% and 4.2%, so today's yield is on the lower end. That usually means the price has risen faster than the dividend, so it's not as cheap as it was when yields were closer to 4%. But yield isn't everything. SCHD's dividend has historically grown around 12 to 13% per year. That means even if you buy at 3.3% today, your yield on cost increases over time, helping offset a higher entry price. Valuation, P/E ratio. SCHD's holdings currently trade around 18.5 times earnings, compared to the broader market at roughly 21 to 22 times. So SCHD is still cheaper than the market, though not as undervalued as it was in late 2025. Price history. At $32, SCHD is near the top of its historical range, close to previous highs from 2021. That suggests it's relatively expensive compared to recent years. However, the environment is different now. Interest rates, inflation, and market conditions have changed, which supports higher valuations. Bottom line, SCHD is fairly valued to slightly expensive. Not a bargain, but still reasonable for long-term dividend investors. If you want a better entry, waiting for a dip to around $29 to $30 could make sense. Let me give you 5 simple frameworks to decide what to do with SCHD at $32. Framework 1. Starting from zero. If you don't own SCHD yet, consider buying half now and dollar cost averaging the rest over the next few months. This way, you get exposure if it keeps rising, but still have cash if it dips. Framework 2. Adding to an existing position. Ask yourself, Can you handle a 10% drop after buying? If yes, you can add. If not, wait for a pullback. Small, consistent buys usually make more sense than large lump sums at this level. Framework 3. Income-focused investors. If you're retired or relying on dividends, focus on income, not price. Even at an approximately 3.3% yield, SCHD's strong dividend growth makes it a solid long-term income investment. Timing matters less here. Consistency matters more. Framework 4. Waiting for a better entry. If you think SCHD is a bit expensive, set a limit order around $29 to $30. Pullbacks of 5 to 10% happen regularly. Just be okay with the possibility that the price keeps rising and you miss the entry. Framework 5. Taking profits. If you're up 20 to 30%, selling might be tempting, but SCHD is built for long-term dividend growth, not short-term trading. Selling could trigger taxes and reduce future income. Bottom line, your decision depends on your goals, timeline, and risk tolerance. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but having a clear framework keeps you from making emotional decisions. Now let me tell you what I'm doing with SCHD at $32. I'm holding everything and continuing my monthly contributions. Here's why. First, I don't try to time the market. I've bought SCHD at different prices over time, and my focus isn't short-term price, it's growing dividend income. Whether the price moves up or down, the income keeps increasing, and that's what matters. Second, the fundamentals are strong. After the latest reconstitution, SCHD is more balanced and positioned for better dividend growth. The yield dropped slightly, but the overall quality improved. I'm focused on long-term growth, not short-term fluctuations. Third, I'm not selling to take profits. Selling would trigger capital gains taxes and reduce my future income stream. I'd also need to find a better alternative, which isn't easy in the dividend space. Fourth, I keep investing consistently every month. Small, regular contributions smooth out price fluctuations over time. The only thing I'm avoiding is putting in a large lump sum at this price. For big amounts, waiting for a pullback makes sense. But for long-term investing, consistency beats timing. Let's simplify this with a clear decision matrix based on your situation. Buy now at $32 if you're starting from zero, investing small monthly amounts, or focused on long-term income. It also makes sense if you don't want to miss a potential move higher and your time horizon is 10+ years. Wait for a pullback to $29 to $30 if you're investing a large lump sum, want a better yield, or believe a market correction is coming. This approach works if you're patient and okay missing short-term upside. Hold and do nothing if you already own SCHD, are reinvesting dividends, and care more about long-term income growth than price movements. Sell only if you truly need cash, are rebalancing your portfolio, or have a clearly better opportunity. For most investors, selling isn't necessary. Bottom line, SCHD at $32 is fairly valued. Not cheap, but not overpriced. Over decades, what matters most is consistency and compounding, not perfect timing. If it drops, you can buy more. If it rises, you're already invested. Either way, stay focused on long-term dividend growth, not short-term price noise. What are you doing with SCHD at $32? Buying, waiting, holding, or selling? Drop your plan in the comments and tell me your reasoning. I'll respond to everyone with feedback. Subscribe if you want more real-time SCHD analysis and decision frameworks like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.